Meet Phoebe, Melbourne property owner. Normally quite nice.
Hi. Look, it's been a month and I just need my bloody pipe fixed.
For thousands of Australians, this is what speaking with your property manager looks like.
Oh, get used to it, love. I've been dealing with this for the last 20 years.
But what if there was something different?
Really?
Where requests, status updates, approvals are right where you need them. It's where maintenance jobs are handled seamlessly, from leaky pipe to Phoebe's happy tenant, and all your payments and paperwork in one place. Yeah, not that place. No more calculations to figure out what 6.5% of $425 per week plus $25 processing fee and 2 times $50 inspection fees. Just a transparent flat fee.
Right, so it's just an app?
So much more. Different is smart tech, plus a dedicated team that always has your back for maintenance, leasing and finance.
Is my tenant's lease renewal included?
Yeah, of course.
That's different.
Can Different find me good tenants?
No. Great tenants.
What if I have questions?
Different has the answers. With thousands of properties under management, hundreds of thousands saved across Oz, and hundreds of 5-star reviews.
Can I really be bothered switching?
Sure, it's quicker than your 100-metre dash.
Well, sign me on.
So save the time and skip the stress. It's about time for something different. Make the switch today at different.com.au/join.